peace out here. If you're keeping the peace, ching chong, not me. I got the mac and cheese in my lap right now, tastes pretty good. Yeah. I chuckle, I chortle, crack a guffaw. Pardon me, my schneegroid. You duh. Yeah, ayy. McDonald's fish fillet. Bet your ass here to stay. Licking homies' kneecaps, yeah. It ain't fucking gay. Can't help but cry, maybe shitting and coming. I ain't even hear you, come and get some. Yeah, ayy, yeah, ayy. Keeping it 100, I've been eating all them nuggets, making all them buckets, call me Magic Johnson. A homie got AIDS. I ain't worried though, cause I be wearing my favorite fucking shades. When I'm in the ocean, refer to me as some shady. I am not the father, yeah, ayy. Like tirades, government aid masquerades, with blades, rain chains from the wall to hang. So kick the door by the hinges. I ain't see no money, just syringes. If y'all think I'm fine with 4 inches, then you got no issue being fucking orange. And you already know that you look like a door hinge. About to get paid. Only big bills, I be getting them chills. I'm the king of the hill, I be taking them pills, making sure I don't nut. Cause it's November. And I got to keep it shut. Motherfuckers try to out peaks of the hut, deep cut, trapped in a rut, can't get a job, and for what? Cause your rap career didn't go that way. You on some shit, dog.